Today we have PolyWorks users from many manufacturing industries. I'm happy to see many new faces in the assembly, in addition to very familiar ones. What brings us all together? Our shared passion for solving product engineering and manufacturing challenges. It is in our DNA to innovate and leverage technologies. Welcome all of you to the 2018 edition of PolyWorks Conference USA.
Many different customers from different industries, from aerospace like Boeing to General Motors, from automotive and Ford and Honda, and even the shops that do the supplies for these.
I love it. It's so much interaction with all the suppliers and the PolyWorks and a lot of in-depth detail of what's going on with the new software.
That's been fantastic. So we go to a lot of trade shows. A lot of them are very general, very large. This is a very targeted show for us, and the clients that we're seeing are much more targeted for what we're looking for.
And bring the knowledge of all our customers up. They can exchange between themselves, they can listen to high-quality presentations, workshops. They can see the latest and greatest from our hardware partners.
Machine. It is very organized, it's informative, everyone here is so professional, they know what they're doing. I love coming because of